This rescue helicopter had rescued a man from a boat with an engine failure. But things did not go on well for the rescue helicopter, as the pilot of the helicopter accidentally hit a power line, causing them to drop the cargo. Luckily, the helicopter and the cargo did not have any problem after the hit. In this clip from a dash cam showed a single-engine private jet crashing into the power lines. Shortly after that, the private jet caught fire. In this clip, a helicopter that was stopping fire from a burnt factory accidentally hit a power line. This was because smoke was covering the place, and it was creating a low visibility for the pilot. A helicopter collecting water from the river accidentally hit the power line supplying to somebody's home. Luckily, the helicopter continued with its journey undamaged.
Olha os cabos em cima da casa. Os cabos estão caídos na água, mano. Os cabos estão na água.
In this video, a helicopter accidentally hit an invisible power line, causing it to crash into the river. Here are some other videos.
Are you kidding me?
It's stuck in the line.
Oh